I am only human. This time will be different. I swear we're just moving forward. I won't make you sorry if you stay. I know that I could have tried harder, and this liquid courage has got me feeling smarter. So I'm hoping I will find the right words to say. Tell me what is left around here other than you, my love. Tell me what is left around here other than you, my love. So don't say we're through. Don't say we're through. Don't say we're through. Don't say we're through. It don't help to act like nothing happened, but our time is short. Let's put this plan to action. The more you think about it, the worse it's gonna be. It's no secret we were never perfect, but I guess